Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, which means one thing. I've already done my grocery shopping for the week. Veggie week is over. 7 days of wonderful, tasteful, yummy veggie dishes. Yes, most of them were from the Far East, China, Mongolia, and so forth. We did have the one Indian dish, which I enjoyed very much. I've always enjoyed dal, various forms of it. Red dal, yellow dal, black dal. Yeah. All right, enough of that. So this week, we go back into a normal rotation. So for the last night of Veggie Week, I did saucy vegetable stir fry over white rice. It was really good. I think I had a little bit too much black pepper. Oops. Because there was no chilies in it. All right. So this week, I'm going to go into this first. Let me grab my list here. Let's see. Tonight is Sizzling Chinese Pepper Steak with onions. That'll be served over white rice again. The champion gets one more workout. Monday, this is fun. French onion grilled cheese. Ooh, yeah. And Tuesday, Mediterranean baked trout. And I'll be doing rice pilaf and some carrot dish to go with that. Wednesday, I'm going to be doing my homemade spaghetti sauce, probably over linguine. Thursday is pad kee mao, or also known as drunken noodles. And I'll be doing that with chicken. Friday, will be pasta aglio. Basically, super simple. Pasta dish. And then Saturday is Szechuan chicken. And I'm not sure how I'm going to serve that yet, but I'll figure it out by Saturday. All right, tonight, again, as I mentioned just now in the list, is Sizzling Chinese Pepper Steak with onions. What would it be pepper steak if it didn't have onions in it? Bland, boring. All right, so let's get to it. The champion is out again. Boy, he's gotten a workout this week. The crockery for the rice. I'm using the last of my elk. This is elk backstrap, which is one of the nicer cuts. Just over a pound. Peppers. I have a red pepper. I have a yellow pepper. Of course, there's an onion. Garlic. Ginger. I'm using fresh ginger. And then the sauce, a little bit of kosher salt, black pepper, which goes, through the entire meal. Soy sauce, cornstarch or corn flour for thickening, beef stock, oyster sauce, hoisin sauce, and some brown sugar. I'm actually going to use these last two green onions for some garnish, and of course, long grain white rice. So here are the goodies for tonight's Sizzling Pepper Steak with onions. I did some blending yesterday after running a bunch of errands. I had to stock up on some stuff so I could fulfill an order. I actually went to Marysville. Oops. Because local spicery is in the heart of Chinatown. Buckeye Parade. Oops. I was luckily enough, I was able to park about 2 blocks away. It was a nice little walk. Nice day. So I did this blending yesterday. So things are continuing here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. On this Sunday, it's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain today. It's supposed to. We'll see. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.